Hey there, Shawn Bayley. Welcome to this video here today. I've got something really awesome and special for you here. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit more for you here so you can see I've got the ultimate funnel copywriting checklist for you here so you can go and double or triple the sales that you're getting from your sales funnel. So if you've got a sales funnel right now, the easiest and most efficient way to improve and make more money from that funnel is to improve the sales copy. It's not about going and creating new pages, making things fancier, having a faster loading page. It's about having a sales message that resonates with your audience, right? So if you want to get more sales from your funnels, grab this guide and implement what I put into this. Now, here's the thing. I've jammed a lot of stuff into this here. You can see here's all the stuff that you're going to get access to inside this. This is not some wimpy PDF that's like 3 pages long. I don't know if you can see at the top here. It's 28 pages long. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. And you can see this thing is loaded with goodness. And it's not just, it's just not some little half-baked PDF recycled information off the internet. This is information from a certified copywriter that I pulled straight out of my brain and put into a guide for you. So all you got to do is just click below in the link in the description or go to shawnbayley.com/funnel checklist. So again, if you want more sales from your funnels, go grab this checklist before I come to my senses and start charging money for this. But if you're watching this video right now, you can go and grab this for free. Just click on the link below or go to shawnbayley.com/funnel checklist. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.